Hello guys, welcome back to the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox new app available. You can see right here, and it's just a problem people face these days. You can just see this pop-up of new app available, and this version of the app is no longer available in your region. To continue playing, please download the new version of Roblox. And now you try to actually download it and it just keep misbehaving. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem, right? So first thing first, you have to go to your Play Store, right, and search for Roblox, and you are going to update the app. You can see mine is outdated, so you can just update it. So on doing that, you go to your settings, right, and scroll down to apps, and wait for it to load up. Search for Roblox. Yeah, it's loading. Click on that and go down to storage and clear the cache, clear the data. Yeah, so after doing this, you have to reset your phone, and after resetting the phone, you can now try again and it's going to work. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.